How to download GTA Vice City and laptop Windows 11. So step 1, you just have to launch your Steam application. You just have to go to Steam and you just have to search for Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Tap this one, the first one that appears here. Okay, and then step 2, what you're going to do is to simply enter your age here. As you can read, this game may contain content not appropriate for all ages. So you have to enter your birth date and then click view page. Step 3, you just have to go to the sport and then click add to cart. So you have to prepare for this amount right here in order for you to install or download GTA Vice City in your laptop. So once done, you just have to go to cart and then click purchase for myself. Now, step 4, you have to prepare for this payment method here. So you can pay through PayPal, you can pay via Visa, MasterCard, GCash, and eClub points. So let's just say you have to, or you want to pay via Visa, you just have to enter your card number and then billing information. So as when you click your MasterCard or pay via MasterCard, you should also do the same thing. When you tap GCash, it will take you to another site. You could also purchase via eClub points. Now, after doing the steps, you can now download GTA Vice City in your laptop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.